many things that you want to promote kaya manood.
Please look forward to Super Divas with Jane Velasquez and Vice Linda. And you might see a little performance from us as well. On August 8 and 9 in here, Araneta Coliseum.
Kami na Sister, sino ba ang inaabangan nyo dito sa All-Star Games?